This week, the KC sales and after-sales teams arrived in the Philippines and joined hands with our local distributor and service team to participate in a professional printing industry exhibition. During the event, we had in-depth communication with many customers and showcased KC's advanced solutions and technical capabilities in roller heat transfer machines, laser cutting machines, and other printing equipment. After the exhibition, the KC team worked together with our local Philippine service team to provide on-site installation, commissioning, operation training, and technical support for multiple customers. During the installation process, our professional engineers carefully adjusted and optimized the machines according to each customer's production environment and requirements, ensuring stable operation and achieving the best production performance. At the same time, our team provided comprehensive training for customer operators, including machine operation procedures, production techniques, and daily maintenance methods, helping customers quickly master the equipment and improve production efficiency. With the support of our local distributor network and professional after-sales team in the Philippines, KC is able to provide faster and more efficient technical support and service solutions for local customers. This visit not only strengthened customers' confidence in KC's equipment quality and service capabilities, but also further enhanced our long-term cooperation with the Philippine market. In the future, KC will continue to improve our global service system, providing customers worldwide with high-quality equipment, professional technical support, and reliable after-sales service, helping more companies achieve smarter and more efficient production.